The game against Ghana. Of course, it's tactics, because we all know it can be difficult because we know how Ghana's play. So we decide to retrieve back, because a point is enough for us. Because we all know when they come here, they will take it. Thank you.
You're welcome to Nigeria. My name is Eche Amos. I'm Forces Radio. Here you are in Nigeria, even though the first leg seemed to have a lot of tough tax on you, because the fans, everybody was so expectant to get the result. What would it be if Ghana does not qualify to the FIFA 2022 World Cup?
First of all, we are not talking about Ghana not qualifying. We are qualifying, obviously. So I think we will leave that question for after the game. Yeah.
Attack, your forward players seem not to be scoring a lot of goals, and it was evident in the first game in Kumasi. Now, does that give you scare coming into this game? And also, you said during the presser in Kumasi that Nigeria are not the favorites. Are you saying your team is better than the Super Eagles?
So the first one was what again? Is our attackers can't score. Yeah, okay, then if you think so, we'll see tomorrow. I think we had some chances, some situation where the last pass was missing, and if we improve that, you'll see us scoring. But nobody knows. And to be honest, I don't think we are better than Nigeria, but I don't think they are better than us. It was an equal game. I think everybody saw, and it will be very, very equal tomorrow. So I can't say that they are favorites, we are favorites, but what I can say is if we shoot one goal, it hurts more than if they shoot a goal.
Watch it. 1-1 draw, we need to go to the World Cup. Now the meaning be that, how you see the match?
My brother, I'm very, very sad. I'm uncomfortable. My neighbors are calling me. What my neighbors told me before coming here this evening is happened. I'm not satisfied. I'm not happy. I'm looking for a where I will go and rest. I cannot go to my house. My brother, coming here, I'm very, very disappointed. With
the meaning is that we are not going to the World Cup. A very sad one. Now disaster be this.
This serious disaster, my fellow Nigeria. The kind of problem we have here, we have seen the result. Because when we cannot stop this sentiment, we are going anywhere, even not from football system. In anything that we have been doing this world, let it be to one Nigeria. And people say one Nigeria, we are one Nigeria. A lot of people that are in government that is showing the differences. So God that He created to us say we should unite to be one. When even we go to the battle, we win the battle. But we allow people from nowhere, a common Ghana that we train them. They come with poverty, we give them a joy, a good Samaritan, we give them independence. But today, Ghana winning Nigeria in the football. And in the whole Africa, everybody knows, even in Europe, if you talk of football, the whole world, if you talk of the football history, we're the best. How many?
Quick one there, you know. A lot of people will say, oh, why this match, we play this match, already finished the game, everything is gone. Why now? I decided to talk about Omonaja. Naja no the carry last. Omonaja. Yeah, the reason why I decided to, because I have a lot of friends from Nigeria. I have a lot of friends that live in here from Nigeria, here, Ghana, and Nigeria as well. And the reason why I decided now to share my thought why Nigeria lose against Ghana. Ghana, we have quality, they have quality, but Nigeria was overconfident, believing that they're going to walk away from Ghana based on the African Cup of Nations. That doesn't go well for Ghana. And that is one thing that I want my Nigerian brothers and my Nigerian sisters, football lovers, to understand that. I don't know. Sometimes I ask myself that the Nigerians, they really know the record between Ghana with Nigeria when it come about football. There are some concepts that a lot of people always address when it comes to Ghana and Nigeria, comparing these two countries. And for me, I'm someone that I did not really want to go deep about in those things, but I'm someone that I always believe that when it comes to Ghana and Nigeria, or even every world, like every country have a good people and bad people. When you go to Ghana, definitely you're going to find a few people that may not be good people. We have a good people in Ghana, we have a bad people in Ghana. If you go to Nigeria, we have a good people in Nigeria, we have a good people, bad people in Nigeria. Every country, there's a good people and there's a bad people. That do not mean that basically the people are bad. Imagine all of us were good. Do you know how the things will look? Imagine we are bad people. Do you see how it's gonna be? So we cannot be good. So let's leave that aside. But I just want to clear this to my Nigerian brothers that always saying that, well, you give Ghana independent, Ghana yesterday, Ghana small country. Yes, when we are talking about population, yes, we give that to you guys. But there is something that Nigerians need to understand, that when it comes to football, Ghana is far better than Nigeria in terms of record. And because Ghana, we beat Nigeria 21 times, and we made almost about 46 to 47, and we beat Nigeria 21. They only beat us 10 times. So Ghana will be in the World Cup to the quarterfinals. Nigeria, despite that, for them having been to the World Cup more than Ghana, but they have never been to quarterfinals before. Ghana been the quarterfinals before. When we have been there 3 times, and now this one adding 4 times. So even the third time that we have been there already, our first 2006, we qualified from group stage. South Africa, you guys all know what happened, what Ghana did up to, what do you call, quarterfinals. African Cup of Nations. Ghana won the African Cup of Nations more than you guys, Nigeria. We won 4 times. You guys won 3 times. When we're talking about African Cup of Nations, Ghana qualified for the African Cup of Nations for a very long time, being there before Nigeria. So when you are coming to meet a country like that, you shouldn't always basically say, well, a Ghana yesterday, who is Ghana? You know, one thing about Ghana, we are people that we are not meant to like making a lot of noise and talking and yelling and all that. We are people that will always believe, not just in football, but we are people that will always believe that when you want something, there is no need for you to go out to make a lot of noise for people to know that, yes, I really want this, or I really want to achieve this. But we believe on working closed door to come out with good result. That is how most of Ghanaians, that is how our lifestyle. So that do not mean that, look, when you talk about like football, when you are in Nigeria, you don't know how Ghanaians are passionate about football, because Ghana, that is not possible like we going to like losing that game feeling for the World Cup. Do you know what will happen in Ghana? Despite that sometimes when things doesn't go well, Ghanaians, we don't come out to make a lot of noise. So you may feel like it is normal. But Ghana is a football nation. Ghana is a country that we do not really have a lot of games. Like when you go other countries like Kenya, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Morocco, and other places, those countries, they have table tennis, they have rugby, they have baseball, they have a lot of games. So if a football doesn't go well for them, country like South Africa, they have a lot of games. Kenya, Zimbabwe, they have a lot of games. So if football doesn't go well for them, sometimes they have something to entertain themselves, like a rugby or tennis and all that. Ghana, we are not into those kind of games. So when it comes to football, we are so passionate. So you shouldn't see like a Ghana, like basically Nigeria was just having full confidence, believing that they're going to even beat Ghana and beat us very well, simply based on the African Cup of Nations. So my Nigerian guys, sorry for you guys. Next time, if you are coming to meet Ghana, maybe one day, the only way, maybe, I'm using the word maybe, that you can beat Ghana one day, you need to overconfident and overtalk. You know, successful people don't talk too much. You know, so sometimes, if you guys, my friends that are Nigerian, ask me that, so what do you think? What actually caused the problem we lose against Ghana? Not guess about your management team doesn't do their work well, or the MFF, or the players. But you see, in life, sometimes overconfident can cause you a lot of problem. So you guys was overconfident, confident, over talking, and yeah, that caused you guys a problem. Overconfident, over talking. So you guys should make your set your check your record wall, saying that Ghana, Nigeria give Ghana independent. How can you give Ghana independent when Ghana get independent before you, 3 years later, before you getting your independent? You are now coming to say you give Ghana independent. How possible is that? Go and make your reset. So my Nigerian guys, yeah, that is what I have to say, because the reason why I didn't wanted to come uh, to make the video before, my Nigerian brothers was so hot. Everybody is so angry and all that. So we need to give you guys water to drink to relax before we can come out to address the issues and your own problem. So yeah, what do you think? What do you think? What actually caused Nigeria the problem when they lose against Ghana? To me, there's two things. When the game was about to, there was two things. Nigeria was like everywhere in the media, talking a lot, making a lot of noise, believing that we don't have stars. You know, in life, it is not about the kind of a person in the football. It is not just about the stars, but it's about the mentality. When you are going to do something, it depends the way you believe in yourself and how bold you are. That do not mean that you need to come out to make a lot of noise. Personally, as Ghanaians, we are not meant to be like a people that make a lot of noise and all that. So you may think that if Ghana fail, we don't come out make a lot of noise, like I said. So you think like maybe it is easy. No. So one love, manager guys, manager sister, Ghana and Nigeria, one love. Let's say this Africa five team that representing Africa, let's all behind the African teams. Ghana is not going there just to make name for Ghana. Tunisia or Morocco or Senegal is not going there just to make name for their country. But when they are in the World Cup, they are representing Africa. So if the team doesn't do well, it affects all of African countries, not only Ghana or Senegal. So if the African, the five teams able to do well, that's the only way we can get more African teams to represent Africa. So we need to support all the African teams to do better. But like I said, I guess only have feeling like it is Morocco and Ghana going to make it through. But I wish all the African teams all the